Hi guys, Wahala don shele. Nnamdi Kanu versus Nigerian government. Kanu's lawyers, they don't say Nnamdi Kanu cannot be tried in any court in Nigeria because appeal courts have already discharged and acquitted him. According to Kanu's lawyers, they said the Nigerian government just looking for every possible means to make sure say they convict Nnamdi Kanu. Malami is working very hard. It is a shame to say that a government who is part of the law will still disobey his own law, does not obey the rule of law. And what do you want or what do you expect an ordinary Nigerian man to do? It's a pity that we found ourselves in this situation. Nigeria has become a laughing stock. Malami is just looking for every possible means to make sure he convicts the IPOB leader. That is the reason why after the appeal court discharged and acquitted him, he said no, Nnamdi Kanu cannot go, that the Nigerian government will still press more charges. Eventually, he did so. But Kanu's lawyers are saying this cannot work, that this cannot happen. A competent court of law had pronounced Nnamdi Kanu free, and he's a free man. They even said, the court said, that no court in Nigeria have the right to try or prosecute him. So why all this? Honestly, my people, Nigeria is a joke. Well, let's quickly hit the news and get the full details. But before then, guys, if you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for always coming out here. May God bless you all. Mr. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, a senior member in the legal defense team to Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, has slammed the federal government of Nigeria over fresh terrorism charges against his client. He described the new charges as underhand tactics by the Nigerian government in effort to convict Kanu. He stated this in a press statement he authored on Saturday in Abuja, claiming that the federal government had yet to serve him with a copy of the 7-count amended charge. He argued, from all indications, the new alleged charge has the same charge number FHC/ABJ/ER/383/2015 has the one already pronounced upon and struck out by the Court of Appeal Abuja Division. They said intermediate courts completely discharged Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and further prohibited his being tried or prosecuted in any court of law in Nigeria. The said judgment of the Court of Appeal is extant and still subsists to date and has not been set aside by any superior court. Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, formidable team, ably led by the oracle of the law, Chief Ozeko Mesan, has already promptly appealed to the Supreme Court against the Court of Appeal's ruling, staying execution of his own judgment, which has set Kanu free. The appeal in respect thereto has been duly entered in appeal number SC/CR/1/1394/2022 at the Supreme Court and is now awaiting a date for hearing. It is also worthy to note that this judgment of the Court of Appeal still stands to date, as same has not been set aside by the Supreme Court. It said, it is imperative to state, therefore, that on the strength of this judgment, no charge of whatever nature and under any guise can ever be presented or stand against Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before any court of law in Nigeria. The lawyer stressed, our inquiry this evening, upon reading about the charge in the social media, revealed to us that the rumored charge was clandestinely filed by the federal government hours after the judgment of the Court of Appeal was delivered on the 13th day of October 2022. This was even before I had received a certificate true copy of the said judgment of the Court of Appeal. The filing of the said charge was clearly ill informed and ill advised because the prosecutor, the federal government, we presume and may want to believe, was not at the point in time aware of the details, full import and implication of the well-delivered judgment of the Court of Appeal at the time of filing the said charge. We also want to believe that this is what has led to federal government's abandonment of the charge after it was thoroughly filed. It is pertinent to note also that the federal government of Nigeria did not take any step to either serve the charge on our client, Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or our erudite leader, Counsel Chief Mike Uzekome Hassan, after it was filed, even till this moment. This to doubtfully assured Umuchineke that our legal team, eminently led by the legal icon of our time, Chief Mike Uzekome Hassan, will be in court on Monday, the 14th of November 2022, to tackle any underhand tactics or results the federal government may have planned to achieve by sleight of hand with a charge which has been pronounced dead like dodo and permanently buried, the statement reads in part. So my people, una don hear am so. Say Malami just dey look for anything when he go fit lay hand for him to make sure say he, convince the IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And he's not even considering the people of the Southeast. This is really very sad to say, that we have leaders who do not care about the welfare of their citizens. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you.